Ribs? What is this? Riblet? Where's my succulent?
What? No, you're not having one. You've had chick's treat already. You've gone in it. No!
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth. Sometimes my lips get stuck in my teeth.
Why walk when you can slide? This Beagle just invented a new Olympic sport, 10-meter grass surfing. 10 tenths for the form, 0 tenths for the grass stains.
I'm encouraging that name.
Yeah.
I'm not crying.
And I replied with, how can you say it?
Rhino. 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 Are you sleeping? Are you... Bro, you're just fucking ignoring me, God. You're awake. Rhino!
He's not quite tall enough to ride, but he's already mastered the art of the bicycle kick. Look out! Tour de France, this pup is coming for your gears.
Giving an egg to my really dumb dog to see if he's gentle. Can you sit? Oh boy. There you go. What do you think, puppies?
And this is why we can't have nice things. This pup just decided the curtains needed a redesign. And that poor plant was just an innocent bystander in the path of destruction.
Guys, big sister's coming this weekend. She's coming to see you. You like that?
It's the fake sleeping for me.
You gonna get ass whooping?
Move over, roadside assistance. This crew is offering a free bumper removal service, whether you like it or not. Apparently, this Honda didn't pass the sniff test. Don't let the cuteness fool you. This pup is currently in a high-stakes wrestling match with a pink elephant, and it's looking like a total snuggle fest stalemate.
So the road trip's going well. Easy basic pumpkin.
Why settle for a stick when you can bring back the whole forest? This pup is on a mission to build a cabin or a giant bonfire, and honestly, we're just impressed by the aerodynamics.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo boo a boo ba do ba do boo.
You hear him? Yeah. He's mad.
2 pets enter, 1 pet leaves. With all the blankets, it's an all-out cage match between cat and dog, and honestly, the laundry is the only real loser here. Takes wrestling match with a pink elephant. Move over, flowers. This planter just sprouted the world's fluffiest harvest. If it fits, he sits, and apparently, if it's a vase, he takes a snooze. There can only be one. This Shiba is making it very clear that this house isn't big enough for 2 of them, even if the intruder is made of fluff and stuffing.
ยังไงตัวเล็กยังไงเนี่ยโอ้โหสบายไปแล้วเราอะ
Who needs a water bowl when you can fight the entire river? This pup is trying to eat a waterfall, and honestly, the waterfall is winning by a landslide. Stay thirsty, my friend.
I'm in the shower and I've just discovered something really funny. Like that. Okay. The dog's out there.
That's it. Rip it.
Oh my god. We found our Christmas tree. For next year. Oh.
Thanks for hanging out with our furry, goofy friends. If these pups made your day a little brighter or just confused you, don't forget to pause and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of doggo love, and we'll see you in the next one.